So I'm so excited. We're in Corning, and I'm at the Rolling Hills Casino. I'm with General Manager Antonio Perez. And I got to tell you, Antonio, this is a true hidden gem. I had no idea all of this was here. You have golfing here. Tell me about that.
So we have a John Daly designed links golf course. It is beautiful. And with our amphitheater, a lot of the acts that come in take advantage of being here to play the course, and they have tons of positive feedback. So
wow. And of course, there's gaming. Tell me about that.
Yeah, we have about 850 slot machines. We have table games and everything you could ask for in terms of a gaming operation.
And if I'm an RVer, I can even stay here.
Yes, we have an RV park, and you can even fill up for the cheapest fuel you will find in the entire region.
That's amazing. And you actually brew spirits and craft beer on site?
Yes, we have the Paskenta Brewery and Distillery, brewing beer and distilling spirits right here inside the casino.
And like any good casino, live entertainment. Tell me about that.
Oh, absolutely. The Obsidian Spirits Amphitheater here hosts acts from, we've had Kane Brown recently, we've had Snoop Dogg and Ice Cube, all the way to Dierks Bentley and Sam Hunt, DJ Aoki, anything you can think of. We have a lot of the big names all showing up here in Corning, California at Rolling Hills.
Wow. And so a reminder of how people get here. Where do they go?
So we're on exit 628 off of the I-5 in Corning, California on the Paskenta Reservation.
So next time you're up this way, you got to check out the Rolling Hills Casino.